Good morning and welcome to your Farm and Home Show. My name is Joanna Coles, and this morning we're visiting with Dr. Sam McNeil. He's with the University of Kentucky Biosystems and Ag Engineering. Good morning, Sam.
Good morning.
Now, I know that you have done a lot of work with energy audits all across the state with different farms, and today we're going to focus maybe just a little bit on solar energy.
Yeah, we're seeing a lot more interest in these systems. Actually, we've been doing some solar energy audit work since 2012 for solar PV systems, and I'll share with you quickly one of the programs we use to predict the performance of these systems, and then an example of how it did actually perform on an Ohio County grain farm in 2019. So it's kind of interesting to see how this come together. But we started this work, like I say, in 2012. We've since done around 72 energy audits to date, still counting. There's the programs that we work with are associated with the Rural Energy for America program, the REAP program. And in that program, there's a 25% cost share for these systems. In addition, you get a 30% tax credit for renewable systems. And then in addition to that, the Kentucky Ag Development Board, through the Governor's Office for Ag Policy, has supported a program for renewable energy and energy efficiency projects, and they'll contribute 50% with a $10,000 max for renewable energy projects. So all that together, it's created quite an incentive for these types of systems. And as I said, our role in the program is just to try to help folks on a technical side to do an evaluation, predict the performance of the energy of the system they have in mind, and we'll use a software program that's freely available from the National Rural Energy Lab, the NREL. So if I'll share with you the results of the system. It's a 30 kW system. This was installed in Ohio County a couple of years ago, and we went to that system and looked at some of the electrical energy that was actually produced on that farm, and it was really interesting to see how well it matched up with the predicted values. And so over the course of the year in 2019, it generated around 43,000 kilowatt hours of electricity, and it actually matched up with about 97% of the load. Of course, on a grain farm, you have fairly low energy use through most of the year, but along September, we see a big spike in energy consumption. And so the good thing about these systems is that you're kind of averaging the generation with the load over time, and so it really works out in your favor. And in this case, like I said, there was the system itself provided about 97% of the load on his farm. So,
That's really good news.
Well, it's really good news. That's right. And so, just to summarize some of the projects that we worked with, as I mentioned, there have been 72 projects over the course of this 7-year, 8-year period. The total cost for all these systems has been a little less than $8 million. But the amount of grants that have gone to farms have been around $2.5 million, and altogether they've generated about $500,000 of electricity per year. So, and then of course everyone's interested in the payback. On average, they're running around 14 years on return on investment, and that's not including the incentives that we talked about. So if you add those in, the tax credit, the grant money from the REAP program and the GOAP program, oftentimes that payback period is cut in half. So you can oftentimes pay for a $50,000 system in about 7 years. So
it's a long-term investment.
It is.
And so you need to look at the long game with that. And there's some planning to go along with some of these incentives to be able to participate in those. But I know that you've been a great help to a lot of the farmers that have applied for the REAP program to give them some of this information. And you're sharing good news again today. So if people have questions about that, how do they find out more information?
Well, I'll share my contact information here, but you can reach out to Doug Overholtz or myself there at Princeton, phone or email, and we'll talk with them, get some information from them, and in regards to how much energy they have used historically. We'd like to see a 2-year energy use record.
All right. Well, appreciate all that work and the information today. And if you have questions, make sure to contact your local extension office. Thanks for watching and have a great day.